Okay guys, here's the input. I've got two magnets on the Hall effect. Here's the scope. Here's the ramp. So it starts off with 5, 7, 9, 11, so on, all the way up to 27. Stack of 27 here. Those N52s. Really strong little magnets. They're actually really nice. But I'm gonna just come in here like this, slide this on to where it needs to be, and I'll just try to show you guys the power, how it will drop. You can see as I just moved it close, it goes down. So I'm gonna put it on here now. It's really hard to get this all in frame. You see it's already dropped the power, only got it in little ways. There you go. Close to 10 milliamps less than what it was using before. Still producing the same voltage. Hasn't slowed down at all. I'm gonna need two hands to put it on any further. Now it's registering 0 quite a few times, I'm noticing. Just wanted to show that anyway. A lot better with the smaller rotor. Right on guys, just wanted to show that.